Hello and welcome to Solve for today's video. Today's video is the answer to my Rubik's Cube problem. To answer this, we will not need any Rubik's Cube, so let's put this down. So you're doing your sequence of moves over and over again, and you want to be sure that you will get back to your starting position. How can we prove this? We need two things. The first one is that the number of positions for a Rubik's Cube is not infinite. There's a lot of them. Well, it's a lot, but it's not infinite. So if you're not lucky, you will go through all the positions. You need to be quite kind of fast for that. Anyway, and after that, what will be the next position? Let's imagine that instead of this insane number of positions, we have only 5 positions. The starting position, which is A, then B, C, D, and E. And here is what we have. So we start at A, we make our sequence of moves, and we arrive at B. We make the same sequence of move, C, same sequence of move, D, same sequence of move, E. And E is the last position. There's no other position. If we do our sequence of moves once more, where do we get? Let's suppose that we get back to C. Then we get this. But that poses a problem. Because when you are at C and you do your sequence of move backward, you will arrive simultaneously to B and E positions, which are supposed to be different, and that's clearly impossible. So if you are at E and you do your sequence of moves once more, there's no other way different than arriving at A, which is your starting position. So we have proven that on a Rubik's Cube, if you have enough time and if you're quick enough, you start from a position, do always the same sequence of moves, and you will always get back to that starting position. I hope you enjoyed this problem, and see you next time for next problem. Bye bye.